TenizService Limited Liability Partnership is an innovative and dynamically developing company. It was established in 2003 with the aim to develop the onshore infrastructure to support offshore oil operations in the Kazakhstan sector of the Caspian Sea. Over the years, the partnership has proved to be one of the leading oil services companies, providing a wide range of logistics and production services to local and international oil companies operating in the Caspian region. One of the most recent projects implemented by TenizService LLP is a large-scale project called Cargo Transportation Route, located in the northern part of the Kazakhstan sector of the Caspian Sea. The facility is located 40 kilometers away from the Tengiz field, which is the largest onshore field in Kazakhstan, located 160 kilometers from Tupkaragan, the largest offshore field in Kazakhstan, and a number of other existing and prospect oil and gas fields. It is 180 kilometers away from the nearest town of Kolsari and 400 kilometers from the city of Atyrau. The nearest Oporny railway station is located at the distance of 125 kilometers from the facility. A 74-kilometer access channel with a minimum depth of 4.8 meters was dredged for the successful and safe operation of the facility, which allows for safe navigation during both summer and wintertime. The width of the channel along the bottom is 61 meters. 4 waiting places have been provided to ensure safe navigation. Immediately next to the berthing facilities, a turning basin of 300 meters in diameter was constructed to ensure maneuvering of large vessels. The main production asset of the facility is the cargo offloading facility, with 7 berths, with a total length of the quayside wall of more than 1,000 meters. The depth at the central quayside wall is 9.9 meters, which allows unloading of heavy and bulky cargo using the ro-ro method. The maximum load of the operating area of the jetty is 10 tons per square meter. An additional crane platform is provided to enable unloading of heavy cargoes using lo-lo method, the maximum load of which is 80 tons per square meter. The service area of the berthing facility allows to carry out routine maintenance of vessels, bunkering with fresh water, fuel, waste reception, and other operations that are necessary to support vessels. The cargo transportation route has the status of a national border crossing point, which allows vessels coming from another country to cross the border at the facility. The facility has all the necessary infrastructure to support projects, accommodate and facilitate the personnel involved. Equipped offices, meeting room and recreation areas, dining facility, indoor warehouses and workshops, fire station, fencing, lighting, and video surveillance. Open storage area of 3.9 hectares allows storing general and oversized cargo. It can also be used to accommodate additional facilities to support the client's projects. Cargo offloading facility has an adjacent area of 100 hectares to allow for future expansion. For the period between April 2018 and October 2020, 408 oversized modules with a total weight of 280,000 tons delivered from the docks of Atyrau, KSKM, and foreign docks located in South Korea and Italy were received, processed, and transshipped at the cargo offloading facility. The weight of the heaviest module received at the facility is 1,935 tons. There is a second production area at a distance of 11 kilometers from the berthing facilities, which is the cargo storage facility, where all the necessary infrastructure is provided to allow for the following production operations: accommodation camp that meets the up-to-date requirements, domestic water plant for fresh water supply, water treatment facility, helipad, indoor warehouses and workshops, an outdoor 14.41 hectares area with a hard surfaced pavement has fencing, lighting, and video surveillance around the perimeter and meets all regulatory requirements for establishing a customs warehouse for temporary storage of goods, which can be built within very short timelines. The total area of the temporary storage facility is 16 hectares. The facility territory is covered with the developed network of roads, with a total bearing capacity of 10 tons per square meter, which provides for an impressive maximum load of 68 tons per one axle. The facility has a well-developed outdoor both onshore and offshore transportation network, as well as high logistic potential to import and export not only the project-related cargo, but also the general cargo. The facility is located in the borderland between a number of international transportation corridors, such as Western Europe to Western China, Traseka, North-South. Despite the fact that the Caspian Sea does not have direct access to the world ocean, cargo can be delivered from the Black and Baltic Seas through the Volga to Don Channel, as was the case for 408 oversized cargo delivered during the period between 2018 and 2020 from South Korea and Italy's shipyards. Also, sea transportation between the cargo transportation route and the Baku port is one of the options for transporting goods, which are shipped afterwards by rail to the ports of Batumi, Pati, in the Black Sea. Considering the prospects for the industry development in the Central Asia region, including the need to deliver oversized cargo for projects implemented in the Central Asia countries, the facility has all the necessary infrastructure to be used as a transshipment base for these projects. In addition to the cargo transportation route facility, the company has a number of infrastructure facilities in the Tupkaragan district of the Mangistau region, which includes the offshore oil operations support base and the fabrication yard. The total length of the quayside is more than 1,000 meters. Also, there are large areas for outdoor storage of oversized cargo. The facilities also have a great potential for logistics and growth prospects and can be used in the implementation of various projects. Teniz Service Company ensures quality service meeting interests of each client.